Hey there. If you're running a leveling service in 2025, whether it's for foundations, yards, driveways, or patios, you know how important your work is. When the ground isn't level, structures crack, water pools, and problems follow. Your service solves that. But the question is, are you getting a steady flow of new clients who actually understand the value of what you do? If you're still relying on slow referrals, missed calls, or vague Facebook posts, you're missing out on real growth. So today, I'm going to show you how smart leveling contractors are getting consistent, high-quality leads using automation and one simple tool that changes the game. Let's dive in. Let's be honest, you could be the best in your area with the best reviews and the best results. But if people can't reach you fast, if they don't understand your offer, or if there's no easy way to book a quote, they're gone. Modern homeowners and property managers don't wait around. They're comparing 3 to 5 contractors. The first one to respond clearly, confidently, and professionally wins. So if your marketing strategy looks like this, a Facebook page with your phone number, some before and after photos, a call for a free quote, CTA, then you're relying on luck instead of strategy. Customers today want clarity on what you offer, visual proof that you do great work, a fast way to request a quote, and instant follow-up confirmation. They don't want to call and leave a voicemail, send a message and wait 2 days, go through back and forth texts just to get pricing. If you want to win more business in 2025, you need to meet clients where they are, online, fast, and ready to book. And that's where funnels come in. What if your business had a system that collected job details automatically, let clients upload photos of the area needing leveling, sent instant email or text confirmations, and added new leads directly to your calendar? That's not a dream, that's a funnel. And it's how modern leveling services are growing without chasing every lead manually. Instead of a traditional website that just waits, a funnel takes people by the hand and walks them through the process of becoming a customer, fast. This is exactly what FunnelFreedom.io was built for. It's not a complicated app. It's a done-for-you funnel builder that helps local businesses like yours turn traffic into booked jobs. Here's what you can do with it. Build a clean, mobile-friendly quote funnel, add photos of past leveling work, before and after, let clients choose project types, driveway, yard, foundation, etc. Include budget ranges and expected start date. Automate replies so no lead goes cold. Track everything in one place. You don't need to know coding. You don't even need a full website. Just one page that converts and a system that follows up for you. Let me give you a real story. One leveling specialist in Arizona was doing great work but had no system. He'd miss calls while on the job, forget to follow up, and lose leads to faster competitors. We helped him build a funnel in FunnelFreedom. Headline is your property uneven? Get a free leveling quote today. Simple form to collect square footage, location, and issue. Auto confirmation with a thank you message and calendar link. Automated SMS sent 1 hour after submission asking for photos. The result? His leads tripled in 30 days. He closed more high-ticket projects, and he stopped worrying about who to call back next, all with one funnel doing the heavy lifting. Customers love this because they feel guided, not confused. They know you're professional and responsive. They don't have to chase you. You've already replied. And that first impression, it sets the tone for everything else. It shows that you're reliable, serious, and ready to help before you ever speak. Here's what you can do right now. Go to FunnelFreedom.io, choose a local service funnel template, add a headline like "Need ground leveling?" Book your quote online. Fast, reliable service. Upload photos of past jobs. Add a few service options with checkboxes: patio, yard, crawl space, etc. Connect your SMS or email replies. Launch your funnel. That's it. Your leveling business is now ready to book jobs while you sleep. You already know how to fix uneven ground. Now it's time to fix your lead flow. Stop relying on luck, slow follow-ups, or cold outreach. Build a simple funnel, automate the busy work, and focus on what you do best, delivering quality results to happy clients. Head over to FunnelFreedom.io and get your leveling service funnel online today. If this video helped you, tap like, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful tips on growing your service business in 2025. Until next time, work smart, respond fast, and let automation level up your business.